Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about this online online circuit simulator, which is called a Falstad. Okay, so there are already many simulations circuits available, simulators available on online, but this one has many advantages like the visuals are very good, and you can actually explore many already inbuilt examples. So there are actually, you can also draw some circuits, like if you want to use some resistors, so you can just pick the resistors like this and you can design your own circuit, and you can test it. Okay, and there are actually many examples here, from basic analog electronics to digital electronics, sequential, combinational, and as well as for the electrical engineers also, like power converters, phase locked loops, transmission lines. Okay, so let me just show you two very basic examples. First of all, I am going to consider this Ohm's law. Okay, so we all are aware of this Ohm's law, which means the V equals to IR. So here you can see that the I means the current is 50 milliampere, and here the current is 5 milliampere, though the voltage is same. Okay, so the voltage here is plus 5 volt, but due to the resistors, here you can see that the resistor is 100 ohm, and here the resistor is 1 kilo ohm. Okay, so due to the resistor, the current is different. Okay, so here you can see in the right side that there are actually 3 slide bars. Okay, which first of all is the simulation speed. So if we change this in this circuit, you can actually not very visually see the simulation speed. I will show you this in the next circuit. Okay, so here you can see that the current speed is actually here in this circuit, the yellow dots moving are actually representing the current speed, means the flow of electrons. Okay, so if we change it like this, so you can see that the speed is increased, and if we slide it to the left side, so in speed is decreasing. Okay, so in this way you can actually see how these currents are moving, and last slider is actually for the voltage. So you can change the value of voltage also. Okay, from 0 to 5 volt, and if let us suppose that if you want to change the supply voltage, just double click on plus 5 volt, and here you can see that the minimum voltage is 0 and maximum voltage is 5. Okay, so and the slider text is voltage, so you can change any of the parameters you like. Okay, let us suppose if you want to change it from 5 volt to 9 volt, so just change it and then apply. Okay, so in this way you can actually design your own circuit, and let me just show you another very good example, which is of a diode. And let's see IV characteristics of a diode. Okay, so this is a PN junction diode. Here you can see that the maximum voltage is 650 millivolt, and the waveform is actually a triangle. So you can change the waveform also. Let us suppose if you want to change the triangle to a square wave, you can change it, and if you want to change the waveform to DC, so also you can change the value. Okay, so let's just keep it to the triangle, and the frequency is 50 hertz. Okay, so here you can see, let me just undock this. You can undock this scope, and let's just increase this. Okay, so this one is actually a triangular wave. Here you can see that this is actually the input signal, and this one is your output signal, but the IV characteristics is this. You must have read this, or you must have read this in your textbook or in your class, that this graph here is actually the forward biased IV characteristics of a PN junction diode. Okay, so if we change the simulation speed here now, so you can see that the changes is much faster than the previous. Okay, and if you want to see it more slowly, so you can just slow this. Okay, and similarly for the current speed, you can see here that the current speed is decreased, and here it is the maximum. Okay, so in this way you can actually test it in a different way, and you can also use any other circuits There are also 555 timer chip here. This one has many applications in analog electronics as well as in digital electronics. MOSFETs, transistors, op-amps, almost all circuits are available. Some of the circuits are already available as examples, which are quite famous, and those circuits which are not available, you can very easily design it, and you can see the input output characteristics or input output waveforms. So it will actually help you to understand your subjects more clearly, and this must be interesting to understand electronics or electrical circuits in more details. So hope you enjoyed this. Okay, thank you.